There's something about days like this that makes me pause. The calm, the people I get to share moments with. Life gets busy, but I think joy hides in the simplest places. So, welcome to my little corner of delight. It's Destiny, and today we're living life together. Hi, how are you? Show me your face. Oh.
Genesis did.
Okay. Okay. How are you? See your fine face. It's okay. Let me see your shirt. Your shirt is fine, no? You have fine clothes. Look at you. Have a new friend. Do you have a new friend? You don't have a new friend. You've done your own work. Oh, does one love you? Did they make the hair?
We don't have full hair. I don't know.
You're so sad. He's dark already. He's late.
It's late.
Okay, have you seen your slippers?
No.
Oh, what? What did you say to her? You know, change it to her.
I don't see more.
So I want to give like reviews on these products that I've used. I'm somebody that don't normally throw away things that I use. So I was clearing the room today and then I saw this thing. I actually packaged them in this nylon to go and trade the review. So you see, the other time I was using this cream, I really don't know how to pronounce it. La Roche-Posay. I don't know why I stopped using it. But it was quite good. Very, very good. Okay, I think I got a better cream. I saw something better for me to use, so I stopped using it. And yes, there was some time I wanted to do this skincare something. Hey, I think I've thrown away the other products, and then I said, let me try this skin sauces. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, I don't know. This product didn't work well at all. It was so bad on my skin. See that I used it to this extent. It wasn't for my face, so I wasn't using it for my face. I think I used it to this extent for my face, and then I notice the damage, because that's what I would just say, it damaged my face. It wasn't good for my face at all. I'm not talking about the product, maybe it might be good for your own face, but for my own face, can never be me again. So I used it to this point, and then I think it's a deep cleanser, and then I continue using it to clean other things. I started using it to clean surfaces, like shiny surfaces. Yeah, it was good for that. I didn't want it to waste, so I started using it to clean things. At the end of the day, it still depends on your skin tone or your skin type. So yeah, but me and skincare, never. I got this body spray. I'm a deodorant girly, so I got this product. I ended up using it just at home. So any day I want to stay at home, I'll just use it, because I just started feeling like it was meant for guys. So specifically this masculine something, I was like, okay, this is not girly. I didn't buy it, so I resorted in using it only when I was at home. It's good, it smells nice, and it's not very expensive. I don't know how much it costs now, but then it wasn't expensive. Okay, so yes, this product, I don't know, I don't want to call their names. It shouldn't look like I'm giving reviews, because it's not like it's an honest review. It's just something that I don't really like, or maybe I made a mistake in buying it, or it's just my preference. As you can see, I've not used it at all. So why did I get it? Okay, I needed a face cream. Something to moisturize my skin, and then I just went to the store and got it. And after I got it, I was hearing this and this about the product, and I was like, I beg, I don't want anything that will damage my skin. Let me just rest. So I didn't use it again. I just kept it. It's been there. So yeah. Then this perfume. Oh Jesus, I love it. I love this perfume. I don't even know the name. The name is already clean, Regina. This is written in Hindi. Anyways, I so much love this perfume, and the only name I can see here is Regina. So okay, it smells so nice. So keeping this perfume is very intentional. I'm not seeing the perfume anywhere to get again. I've checked the stores that I could check, not all stores obviously. Unfortunately, I haven't found it. Yeah, I'm still keeping it. I'm still going to keep this. I'm still going to keep the bottle. Still remaining small. I can keep things, so I'll be champion for keeping things. Don't play with me. Okay, yeah, I have one more perfume. Yeah, so this was my go-to perfume before I started using my hair. It's not like I'm going to stop using it. I'm not going to stop using it. Just that lately I've been so obsessed with my hair. So I'm into that perfume. Literally, I'm so into that perfume. I'm keeping this, of course. I don't know what to do with this. I don't know what to do with it. So I find it weird throwing things away, especially when I've not finished using it. This thing is very new. It feels as though I'm wasting things, and I don't like it. That's why I just like keeping things. Just keep them. Yeah, I'm just going to draft out things that I need to do tomorrow, so I won't forget. I think I have a lot of activities tomorrow. We going up. can sing, we still be hope. We can be singing and we raise it. We the last thing we wasted. Bye. Bye, guys.